Hello everyone, my name is Indorite and this is my first ever video. I'm super excited. I actually am not sure how long this video is going to be, but I'm going to try my best to cut this short because I'm not looking forward to editing this. Also, if the quality is bad, it's because I'm using OBS and it doesn't want to work with my framing and keeps cutting off a lot of things, so I just had to zoom it out the most I can so that it gets everything in the picture. So if I look a little more pixelated than usual, feel free to not have to say anything about it because I already know. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Chocolate in my face, and then I have some coffee. I don't think I'm gonna be good.
One of my cats died.
That person is Can I please stop getting bad things? Oh, wait, I don't want that. Ooh, hello. Finally, I don't know what is up with them. If I press E, it's not working. See. Love how I didn't run away. Thank you for making my job so easy. Oh my gosh. Love. I'm sorry, but you're too good at this game. Obviously, I agree with you. I don't know where everybody is. I don't care though. That's the thing. I don't care. Like, I don't know why it's automatically saying that I care about that. Like, I'm just kind of going around. If anyone says I'm like camping, then I'm not. Because I'm going around the whole map. I'm still a camper for just patrolling around the map. I might genuinely rage quit because they never know the difference between these terms, and I'm also acting out about these terms like wrong and don't. Someone probably already got them. Yep, dead. That'd be my highest guard already. Ooh, I swore something. Nothing in there. Nothing. No one. You're not things. Sorry. Oh, she like that. No. Where's everybody? Where's that one spot? You know, like, I don't think it's this map. Downstairs. Brothers downstairs. I have 26 times. Gosh, there's someone else in here? No. I... 3, 2, 1. Why do people wait out those timers if they have the gun? Like, I understand it's kind of hard to